This is Tammy's place, and Tammy wants to hear this song, so I reckon I'm gonna do it. We were sitting around talking one day, and we were saying how my old dog was getting kind of up in years and stuff, and a friend of mine said, well, how old is Dancer anyway? And I said she was about 8, and they commented that was about 56 or so. And I got to thinking that, you know, it's a shame that relationships aren't measured in dog years, because I've been with somebody for a year and it sure seemed like 7. So, this is how it goes. But you never know. People change like that old harpoon. Forever it means, well, sometime soon. But tell me you love me and I'm all ears. I just gotta ask you, what's that in dog years? 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 Perception of time is a funny thing. Get a life turn when wedding bells ring. Some get paroled before they come their time. Others live love while it's in its prime. Before we pledge forever, let's make it clear. Forever's a long time. What's that in dog years? 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 Several years ago, said to be here forever, but you never know. People change like that old dark moon. Forever really means, well, sometime soon. But tell me you love me and I'm all ears. I just gotta ask you, what's that in dog?